guys, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is the nearby attraction and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests for their stay. Its review rating is 9.3, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. First class hotels enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various league plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can use one of the link provided in the